Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, brothers and sisters. I am very proud to see you again in this channel. Today we are continuing our lessons and the subject is about birdness in dream. What does it mean? According to the ulama, people of knowledge, seeing birdness in dream can symbolize many things. First, for a man, the birdness symbolizes a house, or his wife, or his children. Secondly, the birdness can symbolize for a man also the gracious and the benediction of Allah. Thirdly, for a pregnant woman, seeing birdness symbolize the birth of a baby. Inshallah, Allahu Alam.